Today, we're pitting two titans against each other, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 and the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. Let's see how these two perform in various driving conditions. The Bridgestone Turanza T005, introduced in 2018, has been a favorite among drivers looking for reliability and comfort. On the other hand, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5, launched in 2022, is making waves in the ultra-high performance tire market. First up, dry performance. In dry braking tests, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 outperformed the Turanza T005 by stopping 0.9 meters shorter. When it comes to handling, the Pilot Sport 5 was also quicker, completing laps 1.1 seconds faster. Subjectively, drivers rated the Pilot Sport 5 higher for its grip and balanced handling. The Bridgestone Turanza T005, while reliable, showed more understeer and took longer to recover once it started sliding. This gives the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 a clear edge in dry conditions. Wet conditions are where safety comes into play. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 continues to dominate here, braking 2.5 meters shorter than the Turanza T005. It also excelled in aquaplaning tests, maintaining better control and higher speeds through standing water. In terms of wet handling, the Pilot Sport 5 outpaced the Turanza T005, finishing laps 0.45 seconds faster and receiving higher subjective ratings for its wet grip. Michelin's focus on wet performance shines through, making the Pilot Sport 5 the clear choice for wet conditions. Comfort and noise are crucial for long drives. The Bridgestone Turanza T005 is the leader in comfort, scoring a perfect 10/10 in our subjective ratings. It offers a smoother, more comfortable ride compared to the Pilot Sport 5. However, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is quieter externally, producing 1.8 decibels less noise than the Turanza T005. If you value a quiet ride over long distances, the Pilot Sport 5 is a strong contender. Rolling resistance impacts fuel efficiency and sustainability. Here, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 outperforms the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 significantly, showing a lower rolling resistance coefficient. This makes the Turanza T005 a better option for those looking to save on fuel over the long term. So, which tire comes out on top? The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 excels in dry and wet performance, making it ideal for those who prioritize grip and safety. Meanwhile, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 offers superior comfort and lower rolling resistance, perfect for long, comfortable journeys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.